Can we elevate our chaffle game using 12-year-old extra mature cheddar cheese? Let's find out right after this. So this recipe is about as simple as it gets. We've got one large egg and we've got 2/3 of a cup of this extra mature 12-year-old cheddar cheese that I've shredded off the block here. So just 2 ingredients today. We're going to take the cheese and add it in with the egg, and we'll get this mixed up and ready to turn into chaffles. If you enjoy this kind of content, now would be a good time to give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, turn on that notification bell so you won't miss the video that we put out every week with a new chaffle recipe. So that's all mixed up. Let's get the Dash Minis warmed up and we'll start cooking. Here we are, 2 Dash Minis all preheated. So we're going to evenly distribute the chaffle mix into each waffle iron. Now this 2/3 of a cup of cheese and 1 egg will typically make 2 chaffles. So again, this is just a basic chaffle recipe, but we're kicking it up a notch with some really flavorful cheese this week. Now obviously you could add other things into your chaffle with this cheese, but I wanted to see how it would turn out just by using the extra old cheese. So there we go, chaffle irons all loaded up, and here's how they turned out. Nice and golden brown. Now I didn't use my Parmesan cheese method to make them extra crispy, just wanted to have it just this cheese by itself. So they turned out really good. So we're going to set them aside on a wire rack to cool for a little bit. And here's the final product. Like I say, nice and golden brown, smell really good. With that extra old cheddar cheese, got a lot of flavor to it. Not much of a cheese pull this week, but that's all right. It's not mozzarella. So give it a try. Super happy with the flavor in these. So go ahead and explore different kinds of cheeses. Keep on thriving, my friends.